So today I was super excited to install my new wheel and tire setup. I'm just running 18 by 10.5s all the way around. It's a square setup from a C706. It's pretty cheap to find this set of wheels. I got these for under 700 bucks with the tires, and so far they're great. I think it looks a lot better than stock, and so far I really enjoy them. The square C706 setup looks much better in my opinion. It really fills up the wheel well, and you can fit a much larger tire on the front, which is going to help a lot for autocross setups. Honestly, I think my favorite part about this wheel tire setup is the offset. The aggressive stance that these C7 wheels give to the C5 really makes the car look that much better. Thanks for watching. More videos are going to be coming out soon.